Hey, you guys, just a quick public service announcement. So I was traveling this weekend and I chose to do my meditations on the plane, and which is one of the noisiest places on earth, is it not? Yes. And then this morning when I did my morning meditation, one of my neighbors is getting a new roof. So there are construction workers about making noise, banging and sawing and all the things. And so it was pretty noisy. So my recent meditations have been pretty noisy. And I just want to remind you that you do not need absolute silence, peace, and quiet in order to have a successful meditation. Now, ideally, that's what we want. We want to carve out a nice little sacred space with peace and quiet where there's going to be no noise and just silence the whole time that we sit in meditation. And good luck with that, especially if you live in the city or with other people or whatever the case may be, or you're traveling and you need to do it early or late like I was this weekend. And so just know, as long as you can close your eyes, connect with your breath, and repeat a mantra, you can have a successful meditation. So it doesn't need to be quiet. It can be noisy. You can meditate anywhere, anytime, anyhow. When I was in graduate school, I would sit in my car before class and with my eyes closed, keys out of the ignition, parked car, and meditate, because that's when it fit into my schedule. So not getting your meditation in for any, because it's too noisy, I don't have any peace and quiet, that's a bullshit story, and I invite you to deliver it. Hey, Barry, good to see you, my love. I miss you so much. So, not having the perfect time or space to meditate is a bullshit story that you are telling yourself. If you can sit down, close your eyes, no matter where or when, and repeat a mantra, you can meditate, and it's still a successful meditation, even if there's a lot of noise in your environment, okay? Not ideal, but it's more important to have the meditation than to have a perfect meditation, right? Because there's no such thing as perfect anyway. A post for another day. And I'm going to leave you with that for now. I love you. I'll catch you in the next video. And until then, I will see you in the gap. Mwah.